So today I'll be showing you how to hide apps on your Galaxy Tab A11. So this is very simple. Just long press an empty space on the home screen and then tap on settings, and that's going to open up the home screen settings. Now you want to scroll down and find hide apps on home and app screens. Tap on that and then select the apps you want to hide. So for instance, let's say I want to hide my health app, and also let's also hide YouTube. Okay, so any app you select is going to be added there, and then now you can tap on done, and that's it. So those apps are going to be hidden from both the home screen and the app screen of your Galaxy Tab A11. Now to unhide these apps, again, you just need to go through the same process. Just long press an empty space on the home screen, tap on settings, go to hide apps on home and app screen, and then you can tap on this minus icon at the top of every app. So just tap on that to remove them from the list, and then tap on done. And that's how to unhide those apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.